Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this equation from functions. For the function f of x is equal to 3 minus 2 raised to the power negative x, find f of negative 2. So our function, if we rewrite, will be f of x is given by 3 minus 2 raised to the power negative x. So now f of negative 2 just means we find this function when x is negative 2. So we simply substitute. So we're going to have 3 minus 2 raised to negative x. So the negative of x and x is negative 2. So that will be 3 minus 2 raised to this power. So you have minus, which is a positive. So we have 3 minus 2 raised to power positive 2. So this is the same as 3 minus 2 raised to power 2, that is 4. So it means f of negative 2 is negative 1. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.